Have you ever witnessed someone bounce back from a life-threatening illness purely through the sheer force of their belief? No pills, no surgeries, no fancy treatments, just an ironclad conviction that they're going to heal. And bam, they do. That's the placebo effect in full swing, folks. It's like your brain flipping a switch and telling your body, hey, we're good here. Now picture this. If our minds can pull off that kind of magic for healing, what if we could hack that same power to overhaul our entire lives? Change our habits, boost our health, attract success, all by intentionally directing our thoughts? That's the revolutionary core of Dr. Joe Dispenza's blockbuster book, You Are the Placebo, Making Your Mind Matter. Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, Knowledge Book, your go-to spot for diving deep into the books that can totally transform your mindset, your body, and your world. I'm Mub, and today we're unpacking You Are the Placebo in a way that's tailored just for you, straight talking, no nonsense, American-style motivation. If you're hustling through life in the USA, dealing with stress from work, health scares, or just wanting to level up, this book's got the goods. We'll break it down into bite-sized chunks, but since you asked for the full dive, we're going all in, expanding on every concept, sharing real stories, backing it up with science, and giving you practical steps to start today. Grab a coffee, settle in, because this is going to be a game changer. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. We drop life-hacking book summaries every week. First off, let's set the stage. Dr. Joe Dispenza isn't some ivory tower academic. He's a chiropractor turned neuroscience guru who lived through his own miracle. Back in 1986, during a triathlon in Palm Springs, California, one of those grueling races where you're biking like a maniac, Joe got slammed from behind by a speeding SUV. The impact was brutal. He was thrown off his bike, clung to the bumper as it dragged him, and ended up with 6 shattered vertebrae in his spine. We're talking compression fractures from T8 to T12, bone fragments pressing on his spinal cord, the works. Doctors from 4 top neurosurgeons laid it out plain. Without surgery to insert metal rods along your spine, you'll never walk again. Paralysis is your future. But Joe, he said no thanks. As a chiropractor who believed in the body's natural healing potential, he decided to bet on his mind instead. He spent hours each day in meditation, visualizing his spine rebuilding itself, every vertebra aligning, nerves firing perfectly, muscle strengthening. The pain was excruciating, like knives twisting with every breath. But he persisted. 10 weeks later, he walked out of the hospital, fully recovered, no surgery, no rods. That personal triumph became the spark for You Are the Placebo, a book that blends cutting-edge science with real-world proof that you can be your own medicine. The title says it all. You are the placebo. It means your beliefs, thoughts, and emotions aren't just fluffy feel-goods. They're potent forces that can rival or even surpass any drug. Dr. Joe explains this scientifically, drawing from neuroscience, psychology, and quantum physics, don't worry. He keeps it accessible. Our mind and body aren't separate. They're intertwined like a high-speed internet connection. Your thoughts send signals that trigger chemical reactions. Stress hormones like cortisol if you're negative, or healing ones like endorphins if you're positive. This isn't new age fluff. It's backed by studies showing how belief can alter brain chemistry, boost immunity, and even change gene expression through epigenetics. Let's zoom in on the placebo effect itself. Imagine popping a sugar pill, but you're told it's a miracle cure for your chronic pain. If you truly believe it, your symptoms might vanish. Why? Because your subconscious mind, the autopilot running 95% of your life, buys into it hook, line, and sinker. It cranks up natural painkillers, reduces inflammation, and rewires neural pathways. Harvard studies confirm this. In one trial, patients with Parkinson's got fake surgery, just incisions, no actual procedure. But their tremors improved dramatically because they expected relief. Another from the University of Michigan showed placebos lighting up the same brain areas as real opioids. Even open-label placebos, where people know it's fake, work, as a 2022 Harvard review found, easing IBS symptoms by 30 to 40%. Skeptics say it's just perception, not real healing, but Dr. Joe counters with evidence. Placebos have shrunk tumors, reversed heart disease, and alleviated depression in clinical settings. A 2015 New England Journal of Medicine article called Placebo Affects Genuine Biopsychosocial Phenomena, not just spontaneous remission. But Dr. Joe takes it further. If a fake pill can heal, why not your own thoughts? Enter the mind-body connection. Picture your brain as a supercomputer transmitting signals to every cell. Negative thoughts? They flood your system with stress chemicals, weakening immunity and accelerating aging, like revving your car's engine in park until it burns out. Positive ones? They release dopamine, serotonin, and growth factors, repairing DNA and fighting disease. This ties into epigenetics, the science of how environment and mindset flip genes on or off without changing DNA. A 2016 HuffPost article explained it. By changing your thoughts, you can influence your genetic readout. Studies from the University of Wisconsin show meditation altering gene expression in inflammation pathways. Dr. Joe cites cases where people with genetic predispositions for diseases like cancer turned off those genes through belief and visualization. It's like your genes are light switches. Your thoughts are the hand flipping them. To make this relatable for us Americans, think of sports legends. Michael Jordan visualized game-winning shots every night. It wasn't just practice, it was mental programming. Or Oprah Winfrey, who credits positive thinking for overcoming trauma and building an empire. Dr. Joe argues we all have this power. It's not reserved for elites. In the book, he shares how daily thoughts script your future. Repeat, I'm stressed and weak. Your body manifests it with fatigue and illness. Choose, I'm strong, grateful, and healthy. You attract vitality. It's a law of attraction meets hard science. What you feel emotionally becomes your reality physically. Now let's break down how the mind works per Dr. Joe. It's divided into two parts. The conscious mind, 5% of operations, the thinker, planner, like your smartphone's apps, and the subconscious, 95%. The hard drive storing habits, beliefs, and automatic responses. The subconscious doesn't judge. It just runs programs. If you've wired and I'm unlucky from past failures, it replays the tape, creating more bad luck via stress and poor decisions. But flip it with I'm capable and resilient, and it reprograms for success. How? Meditation. It's a bridge to the subconscious, quieting the conscious chatter so you can install new software. Dr. Joe details the theta state, a brainwave frequency, 4 to 8 hertz, where you're deeply relaxed, like that hazy moment before sleep. In theta, your subconscious is malleable, like wet clay. Binaural beats or guided meditations can get you there. His technique, visualize your desired outcome vividly. But don't just see it, feel it for health. Imagine cells regenerating, pain dissolving, energy surging. Feel the joy as if it's happening now. Studies from a Cleveland clinic back this. Theta waves enhance neuroplasticity, rewiring brains for healing. A 2024 Neuroba article linked epigenetics to conscious thought in theta states, showing how shapes behavior. But it's not overnight magic. Practice, patience, regularity. Your conscious mind will resist at first, pulling you back to old patterns. Start small, 15 minutes daily. Over time, new beliefs embed, changing your identity, body, and life. Dr. Joe echoes Swami Vivekananda. The power of the mind is everything. In America, we love underdog stories. Think Rocky Balboa training his mind as much as his body. The book's heart? True stories of mind-powered healing. Joe's own. After the crash, he meditated 2 to 3 hours daily, reconstructing his spine mentally. Pain screamed, doubts crept, but he refocused on healing visuals, A golden light mending bones. Small wins. Less pain till wiggles. By week 10, he walked, defying odds. This laid the book's foundation, merging science and faith. Another, a woman with stage for cancer, docs pushing chemo. She meditated twice daily, visualizing tumors shrinking, cells vibrant. Felt post-recovery bliss. Months later, scans clear. No treatment, just belief. Similar to a case in the book where a man reversed heart disease by envisioning clear arteries. Then, an elderly lady with Parkinson's, tremors crippling her. She meditated on stability, seeing herself dancing freely. Symptoms faded. She reclaimed life. The book overflows with ease. Allergies vanished, depression lifted, chronic pain gone. Common thread, unshakable faith, emotional immersion, daily practice. Even historical nods, like St. Kabir Das or Baba Premanandji, who overcame kidney failure through devotion. Faith as ultimate medicine. Dr. Joe stresses, this path demands effort. It's a journey reminding your mind daily, I can be what I envision. Ready to start? Here is the step-by-step from the book, expanded for you. 1. Awareness. Audit your mind. Sit quietly. What thoughts loop? I'm broke. I'm sick. These auto programs run your reality. Journal them. Awareness is 50% of change. Like spotting leaks before fixing a roof. To decide to change, commit fiercely. Ditch old identity. It's rebellion. Think beyond current chaos to your ideal self. Affirm. I'm leaving weakness behind. 3. Reprogram via meditation. Core process. Quiet spot. Morning's best, no distractions. Relax. Deep breaths, loosen up. Body calm equals mind deep. Observe. Watch thoughts like a movie. Note negatives. Release. Visualize shedding old beliefs, like old clothes. Embody new you. See healthy, confident self. Feel energy, joy as if now. Gratitude. Thank universe as if done. Boosts positive energy. Daily practice seeds change. Don't rely on external fixes. Create inner shift first. Final takeaways. You're life's creator, not victim. Diseases stem from beliefs you can rewrite. Placebo isn't magic. It's mind's natural power. Work hard. Shed old habits. Embody new self daily. Change energy. Change life. Heal body, mind, soul for freedom. This book isn't reading, it's living. Awaken your power. Transform your world. Liked this epic summary? Like, comment your top takeaway, subscribe for more. What's one belief you're reprogramming? Drop it below. We're in this together. Until next time, remember, you're your own placebo. Peace out.